I'm Julie Trotter, and I'm here to talk to you today about environmental distractions. In this situation, I'm referencing how do they disrupt effective listening. This comes about both in your meeting environments, in your classroom environments, and even in your personal interactions. How many of you have ever placed an order at a drive-thru, and what you get back is, that'll be $6.75. And you have absolutely no idea what's going to be in the bag when you get there. That's an example of an environmental distraction. Ideally, you would have been able to understand what they spoke into the equipment would have given you what you needed to know. Let's start with physical distractions. And then we'll move from physical distractions to problems in the communication channel and eventually to message overload. Physical distractions. Let's start in the room. The first thing is it a comfortable place to be? If it's really hot and stuffy, if it's really cold, the only thing your audience is thinking about is, when can I escape? They don't care what you're saying, they just want out. Next, you've got sounds, inside, outside. Have you ever been somewhere, you were trying to talk to somebody, and a copier starts going, you can't hear what they're saying. Or, we live near an Air Force base. You're standing there talking to someone and a jet goes over, you hear nothing. Finally, we've got electronic devices. This is the newest kind of physical distraction. We've got the ringing, the buzzing, all of those things that you're used to hearing. But on top of that, you can be in a meeting and the message comes in and someone stands there. They're supposed to be listening to you and they're responding to the message. They've now missed whatever it was you were saying. And finally, there's the call where they, excuse me, and out they go. So they've also missed whatever it was you were saying. Now, speaking of calls, let's move on to this communications channel. There's several items here that are really very important. On the telephone,